Okay, it's okay. Let's start it. Let's fucking start this game. Battle line. Actually, and. Uh, from a few stitches, black. You bitches. I burned. Okay. This guy is fat as fuck. Is that a Big Mac? What the fuck? How'd you know? I can tell by the lunch. Yo, this guy is fat as fuck. Is that a Dr. Pepper? With an ice cube? Yo, this guy has diabetes. Yo, go see a doctor. No. Guys. Was that a burp from a Subway extreme egg? How the fuck do you know this? God damn. Bro, this guy's fat as fuck. Yo, dude, this guy's fatter than me. Yo, let's just start this. This guy is fat as fuck. Bite on the pickles. Yeah. And I'm going to the bathroom. Was that a fart from an ice cream sandwich? Yo, boy, you have diabetes. Oh, fuck is my duck? Yeah, take the humpy, take the humpy. I'm opening my shit. I hope someone appreciates it. What the fuck? Oh, go out
He's too black. I can't see him, bro.
Dude, we need one of these guys to use some Yo,
there. Yo. Is that a Big Mac? Hold the lettuce. Add the ice cream. Oh, damn. Hey, nice shot. Guys, let's keep it family friendly.
No, I was reloading. Bro.
Alright, guys, let's keep this family friendly. Alright, guys, can we get this a family friendly round?
Ooh,
damn!
Nice.
Holy shit, I got 3 kills and 2 deaths.
Come on, Blueberry.
Ah, Scheiße, nein.
Hey, why did Master leave?
Time for a little snack. A large bag of Doritos. A Dr. Pepper. 3 ounces of meth. An egg scream sandwich.
Come on, at least I got the beast, bro.
Go.
Add the pickles with the Burger King sauce.
No, stay up the stairs, guys. You guys are very trust.
At the McDonald's.
Cheddar! He's blue!
Ow! Fuck! I got shot. Yo, I'm a cowboy. I have my break action. I'm a cowboy. I'm an outlaw. I avenge you, my brother. Ow!
Blueberry, I'm sorry.
I avenge you, my brother.
We got the beast in the shower.
Oh, my aim. Don't talk about the aim, guys.
We do talk about the aim.
If you didn't take those 2 steps, I would.
Bite on the pickles. The next one. Oh hell yeah! I got this. I like this rifle, even though my hand's gonna be fucking burning.
I saw him last
Why is it single fire?
Is that a big?
I was gonna kill Zarius as well. I just need 1 more second. to pull
Yo,
my
what's
shot.
general question? What's better, Dr. Pepper or Coke?
Dr. Pepper. Coke.
I agree with that.
Coke.
Dr.
I mean,
Pepper's the
I'm a
best.
Dr. Pepper and Pepsi person. I don't like Coke too much.
Same here.
It's like a plaque. It feels
It
like
depends.
a plaque on my teeth almost.
Depends. It has to be full.
Yo,
fucking
Coke is
Pepsi.
good, but
can't
what's
be
it called?
Pepsi Max,
Like-
Pepsi Max. Shit.
It feels weird in my mouth, and it makes my teeth feel weird.
Yeah, cause
Come on, Cheddar.
after you
Coca-Cola.
after you drink it, it just like makes your mouth sticky for some reason.
No, it's not.
I got the American riot shotgun.
They're out. Yo, boy.
Is that a cheddar cheese with the ice cream?
I fucking won. Cheddar, why are you not looking behind you? Oh my god.
Okay, general question.
Cheddar,
Burger,
Cheddar,
Burger,
look to your left. Are you? Cheddar, you are blind.
Okay, Burger King or McDonald's?
I think.
Oh fuck nah, yo, that's actually insane.
Hey, what happened to Kevin, bro? Damn.
Move, bitches. Yo.
Watch your fire, people.
Oh my god.
Careful with that.
Oh, that's there. How did he get there?
Yo, Doctor Strange, I have a question. Wait, McDonald's or
Zarius. Okay, guys, question. How did Zarius get over there?
nah? More
Yeah, I
important
don't know.
question.
I
What's better,
fucking-
McDonald's or Burger King?
What do you want?
Your mum, shut the fuck up.
Which one's worse? Or which one's better?
Which one's better?
McDonald's or Burger King? To be honest, I'm gonna have to go with Burger King for their burgers, fries wise. McDonald's.
I agree with that. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, now eggs, sausage,
Oh,
Bacon.
Blueberry did not lock in.
No, I didn't, guys.
holy nuggets. I'm just studying my new weapons. Yo, this guy is fat as fuck. Pow. No. Hey, Big Paws, I have a question. Chicken nuggets or French fries?
Chicken nuggets.
Okay, waffles
Holy
are
shit, bro.
waffles or pancakes.
Neither.
Oh damn it! I was there as well.
Okay, cereal or cum. Okay.
kind of question is that? Bro?
I don't fucking know, dude. I ran out of questions. Is that a Big Mac? What the fuck is this? Hey, that's not cool. That's not cool. He's on the side.
Oh, damn it.
Ah, suck my penis.
Dude, okay, we need some people to like switch, bro.
Okay, I'll
We need
switch.
sausage.
I'll switch.
No, we need sausage to switch, bro.
Too
He's
late.
like he's like the second best star player there.
I already switched.
No. Oh, we didn't need you, Ramiro. You have 0 kills.
I do have to. What the fuck? Well, I had kills. What the hell? What the? I had kills earlier. I
We're
think.
gonna lose.
What the fuck? Oh, we don't have kills at all. Oh fuck.
Not no more.
I had kills. I promise you. I'll make the best of me. Trust. I promise me.
I'm balancing on one leg while doing this.
And I'm jerking with no hands. They're not out there.
Downstairs.
We're not, bro.
Gangster, there was 3 of them. 3 of them. What was
Okay.
I supposed to do?
You're telling me my teammate pulled out his knife and didn't stab a single one of them?
Gangster, there was 3 of them. I couldn't do
I
anything.
just want to talk about this fucking Zarius guy. He is fucking what?
Things that I am
No,
watching
I'm
right now is-
almost running in his nuts. Yo, someone take the bomb. I don't want it. Switching grenade.
Where are they getting the more people?
They're going through
They're
back
losing.
door. They're going through back door, guys. Back door.
Got him.
What's up?
Yo, dude, I told you I would be useful. Told you. Ow, fuck! Ow! Come on. Yes.
Wow.
I'm never
You're gonna
soft. I'm always hard.
I know you're on terrors.
Even switched up. Yeah, he's gonna lose.
I'm never soft. I'm always hard.
Ah, damn.
How? He was right there! He was right there!
Bro, I got 11 kills right now.
I'm switching to what's it called switcher killer. Oh,
My
fuck.
back is starting to hurt, guys. Come on.
Yeah, my ass is starting to hurt, but you don't see me complaining. Grenade! Oh, shit.
Back.
Zarek.
Yes, I killed 3.
Hold the
I'm
Burger
happy.
King.
Come on, bro. You just gotta win this one, Big Pabs.
Who the fuck is Catherine?
My back is starting to hurt, guys. Come on. God damn it.
Chicken nuggets with the McDonald's. Chicken jacket.
I can't.
Okay, if we win this,
Carrying
guys, I'm
weapons
getting at McDonald's if we win this. I'm getting at McDonald's if we win this, alright?
I'm done with this.
Go to him. Fuck 3 of them. Everyone go downstairs.
What the fuck? Why is he so gay? You scared me.
I'm carrying, bro. I just killed 4 of them. Come on, y'all gotta do something.
Okay, fine. I'm
kill
not
you.
dick riding you though. You're dick. Okay, honest. Yo, trust it. I got this. I do not got this.
Don't get bomb plant now, sir.
No, that's a fat big fuck.
Gang, I burped twice. Chill.
Shut up, Bluetooth.
No.
Yes, shut up, Bluetooth. Bluetooth, you're a bitch ass nigga. Y'all suck. Blue team, y'all suck. You only got like 3 wins, bro.
So what? We're just doing this for the love of the game.
Y'all suck.
You sure?
Dude, it's the fact that I killed like half of them, bro.
I promise you that I can help.
Good job, guys. Take bomb because I can't do everything. One of you guys gotta play.
Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. I'll plant the bomb, right?
Narwhals swimming in the ocean.
Down in another motion. Cause they are so
They're
awesome.
so awesome.
No. Thank you. That was funny as fuck.
One of y'all grab bomb.
Alright, someone give me the bomb. I'll risk my life for you guys.
Bomb's right there in front of you.
I don't want it.
Take it.
Okay, fine. I have the bomb now. What do you want me to do?
You gonna plant it?
Narwhals swimming in the ocean. Go in the ocean, cause they are so awesome.
Erina, yep.
Peek.
Push downstairs.
What the fuck? Why is my gun shooting 1 shot? Oh, my controller's dead. That's why.
Controller's dead.
Yeah, I need to get more battery.
Push
Okay,
downstairs.
okay. General question: triple A or double A?
Triple A.
I need to plant.
Bro, Triple A is better, bro. That's more better. It lasts, like,
Okay. Bacon or sausage?
Bacon.
I gotta say bacon. Okay, canned penis
Bacon.
or canned
Can't
nutsack?
plant. Not gonna lie, I didn't even do anything that round. You guys are amazing.
You're welcome.
I'm proud.
So do we get McDonald's? Okay, everybody, come on, we can do this. Guys, if we do this, I'll get y'all Burger King. Ah! 6'9".
Yo, guys, I planted.
6'9".
Damn it! There's still
Yo,
four of them alive.
6'9".
Why is there 3?
fuck.
It's okay. Yo, that's funny as fuck. Yo,
Bro, oh my god,
Let the
dude,
round
I
go.
swear.
Let the round
Yo,
go.
this man had to kill me.
oh shit, we won! Guys, alright, okay, thank you guys. Okay, not. It was all him.
Trust,
all me,
I got.
No, it wasn't.
If they didn't start killing each other,
I'm the main character. I think. Yo,
guys,
that was funny
I'm
as
the main character.
fuck. That
I
was,
got 90 kills.
and I get bitches, but they're all from Toy
I do.
Story.
The second person to me has 4 kills. My back is starting
Shut
to
up,
hurt
nigga.
because of all this.
Oh my god, yo, our team is so fucking ass.
Serious? I'm sorry that you gotta deal with that, bro. You got 24 kills.
No!
Like, I'm sorry.
Yo, we're so so many demons.
I love that. Okay, bro, I'm gonna shut it or I'm gonna kill you.
Alright, chill, bro. Don't put the 14. Unless I kill you first. Oh fuck! I did not mean to. Yo, okay, you get to shoot me back. You get to shoot me back. Shoot me.
No!
What? He said I can shoot him back.
I'm back in the leg. What?
What? He said he can shoot him back.
I bet. I'm gonna enslave you harder than my grandpa. GG's, alright. Yo, okay, so that's okay.
GG's.
Do we get the, yo? I would have saved if Nutsack didn't destroy me.
Not gonna lie, the red team got carried hard time.
Yo, Airsoft the source. Yo, W fucking username Airsoft the source. Yo, I don't think that's a woman.
That's 100% a man.
Start it up.
I was gonna say, can I hit? But I don't think that's a woman.
Yeah, you can hit, bro. Yo, you can hit.
Hell no, I'm good.
Is it even teams? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully I get on the team, bro. I can't do with this stuff. Y'all can have Grammy or whatever.
Alright, now stop this. Shut the fuck up!
My back is like physically hurting.
Ramiro.
How?
Ramiro.
No!
I don't care, both of you.
Okay, I'll stop.
Yeah, what's that?
Okay. Pal.
I swear these guys are retards. Damn, is it gonna start, bro?
Okay, sausage. Sausage.
Yo, why are me and Ramiro acting like retards, bro?
Shut the fuck up! I'm saying something. Sausage or
actually,
bacon.
wait. I asked the same thing. Yep.
Why is everyone leaving? Hold on, I just got here, dog.
Oh, I just had to make it private real quick and kick that man.
Shit. He was going crazy. Let me know.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, he's being autistic. What's up, Romeo?
Sausage or bacon?
Ooh. Depends on the bacon, to be honest.
Like straight from the source, like straight from the pig and then cooked.
Oh, maybe not.
Okay.
Hey, fuck it. Why not? Fuck it. Let's do it.
I'll do sausage. I'd rather do sausage.
I had sausage.
I better not be carrying like I did last time. I'm not dealing with the 20 kills. We ain't doing this again.
No. Oh, I'm running. Okay. Yeah, I'm a fucking kid. Yeah, buddy, I'm gangster. I'm gonna keep this fucking crashed. It's still loading. Yeah, but I'm gangster. You don't want to mess with me. I'm gangster. Yo, dude, check this out, yo. It's super gangster.
That boy just slimed us.
What's up, Izzo?
Gangster. We only have 3 people on our team.
We only have 3 people on our team.
Yo, we're not making it out of Sesame Street.
Hey, we finna do this shit, fella.
Yeah, you're right.
Everyone grab a shotgun. Just grab a shotgun.
You know what, Shock? I'm gonna get... Mama ain't raised no animals.
I did no damage to you.
Yeah, pal, I'm gangsta. Don't mess with me. Okay, I have a hybrid. It's a shotgun. It uses the pump mechanic with bombs.
Fellas, we got this shit, okay?
Yeah, we got this.
Yo, what's up, guys? How you doing?
Yeah, that kid just better than me. Hey, that kid's better than me, bro.
Yeah, we are
That
not.
kid's a lot better than us.
Okay, everybody. Okay, okay. I have a plan. Grab these motherfuckers. Trust me, I got this, Holmes. Yeah, we do not got this. We do not got this. We do not got this.
This just feels like
We do not got this,
I'll
King.
swap teams.
Hey, listen.
I'm
Oh my God, we have somebody that can carry us. I'm joking. I'm joking.
You.
I will kill you fast. Ah! Okay, I'm joking.
I'm not doing this again. I don't
Okay.
wanna kill you.
I'll help
Give me
you.
a
I'll help
weapon.
you.
Somebody
Okay.
give me a weapon. I'm broke.
Here you go, broke ass motherfucker.
What is this?
That's some black people activity right there.
Another man did not just give me a grenade launcher.
It's a grenade. It's a grenade pump action. Look, pull the trigger.
Wait.
Pump it. Yo, why you didn't say this shit's the best? Yo,
With
why
what
you
you just gave me kind of sucks.
I know, unless you use it right. Trust me, I know how to use it right. And
No, you don't.
I do. And why you said that shit was the best? The fucking what's it called? Pistol with the.
Okay.
With the
Hey,
fucking
let me play this. Okay. Come on, y'all gotta do something. Hold the corners. Do not push. All right.
Hey,
I'll try to do more of the
everyone
pushing.
push.
Everybody push! You hear the man?
All right.
Push like you're pushing out your mama's pussy.
Nah. I just dropped.
Dude.
Sit the fuck down.
Okay. Okay, I have a question. Alright, okay. A sawed-off shotgun or what's it called? Fuck. No, what did he do?
He just killed me.
So what, you killed me
He
and
just killed me, bro.
Yo, you killed me, but I didn't vote you out.
That's because you shot
Hey,
me.
don't kick me.
Yeah,
dog.
I said you can shoot me, but I didn't.
Why'd you kill me on stairs, bro?
Yeah, why'd you kill him?
Wait, that was you.
Why you kill me on stairs, bro?
Hey, I'm an idiot. Don't talk to me, okay? Hey, I'm new to the game. Leave me alone.
Yeah, leave him
Hey,
alone.
give me back. Hey, give me back, bruh.
No, I ain't like that, bro. Watch your fucking aim.
Gotta kill, shut up.
Nah, but that's some black people activity right there.
Fuck it, I guess I'm a black.
No! I'm Hispanic, yo.
Did you hear him? But I'm Hispanic, yo.
Yeah, I'm Hispanic, yo.
These motherfuckers are sweaty, dog.
They're sweatier than me jerking off with no hands, yo.
No, I don't got 18. What am I right now?
Nah, but I have
0 and
foreskin. It
2
makes
with
it
2 is-
easier.
I'm 0 and 7.
God damn, bro. How many kills do I have to get?
Hey, you better kill
What?
the
I
whole
just killed the
fucking
whole team.
Who the fuck? Who the
No,
fuck
I'm
was
not talking.
burping in the fucking? What's it called? Fucking.
You?
That was not me. I promise you. That was not me.
I can't do this.
All right, I'll help you. Trust me, I got you. Ah! How'd you die?
I just killed the whole entire team, bro. I just killed everybody.
Scoreboard.
Hold up, what shotgun was that? What shotguns is that?
It's a shotgun.
What type?
I don't know. I don't know the name to it. I know it's in heavy.
Got this one.
I like how I joined this team late and already have more kills.
Hey, should we just sit in here?
Yeah, sure. Yo, dude, I may be young, but I need a cigar break here.
Our teammate is going.
God fuck.
You didn't see me while I was doing in the room, right?
Why are these guys peeking people in bushes? Why did?
Yo, how the fuck do we get murdered by one guy? All of us.
How are you all dying by one person at window?
That's what I'm wondering.
Okay. He does not have sound. He doesn't know how to reload his weapon. Nice. Come on, bro. You know he's to your right? Come on, you heard that. You see the shot. What are you looking at?
Enoch, how do you get -$1? How the fuck do you get -$1?
How did you not see the shots coming?
Hey, because I'm new. Leave me alone.
Yeah. Okay, let's just stop yelling at each other, right? Yo, why do we have something Wild Western? Yo.
1 and 8. Let's go, fellas.
I'm not gonna lose the fight.
I don't want this shit.
Anti-team, pull up the screen. They cannot. I can't. No.
Alright, guys, we're fucked, right?
Oh, we're so fucked, fellas.
Yeah. But let's not lose faith, guys, alright? We can do this. Come on, guys, let's do this.
What? Yeah.
Story, why'd you left us?
Right.
What the fuck did I just
What am I
fire?
right now?
I don't
1 and
know.
9.
Why'd you leave us? Why?
Wanna go or what?
Why? Just why?
That was fun, guys.
Yeah. Oh wait, let me unprivate this real quick.
Can I add a mod?
No.
Oh man. It's a Western mod, please. Watch it just be me by itself.
You know, I'm hoping it is.
Dude, I thought we were friends, you.
We are. You're just questionable.
I'll just say it, I suck ass.
Yeah, you do.
I know. Back then, I was actually good. Back
then, bro, you don't even sound like you're over the age of 12. What do you mean back then?
Yeah, I played when I was younger. Alright, damn.
I hope it's a 1v2. If not, y'all just switch teams and join each other.
Oh hell yeah, my black
switch
colors.
teams.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat your nutsack.
I saw what you just did to my body.
Okay, yeah, sure. And but I
saw
played
that,
this
bro.
game. I played this game when I was 8. 8 years
I
old.
think this game's 17 plus. What you doing on here?
Yo, I wanted a VR headset, dude, and this game was free. It was in its beta, so I got it,
I know.
and I loved it until it became $20. How the fuck? How did you? I'm going. If I die, tell my mom that I watched too much porn.
Wonderful game.
Don't leave me.
I will be leaving you.
If you leave me, you don't like bacon. Don't look behind you. Oh my god, I don't want to get child molested. Help!
Where is he, bro?
Man, fuck it. You want to play Russian roulette?
No.
He's right there! One bullet! You didn't see that.
Okay, 3v2. That's winnable.
Trust me, dude. I promise you, I'm gonna get a kill. I promise you.
Let's get one kill at least, bro. At least one.
Next, you know, I'll get a negative.
There's.
Okay, that was my kill. Was gonna be. Hey, bud! What you think this is, pal? You ain't gonna kill me!
What's goody, guys?
Yo, what's goody?
Not gonna lie, I'm surprised you won that round.
Ramiro!
Who
Bad
are
boy.
you? Who are you?
I'm sure you remember me.
I actually don't remember you. Wait.
You were like, one of those little Minecraft lobbies. Like,
Oh, I do
sunset.
remember you. I think. Probably.
Oh, this grenade! Oh my god!
Drop the clip.
It's called a magazine. Oh shit! No, you were right. You know, this is a clip right here. This is a clip. This is a mag.
He's up there, watch out. Trying to cover you. Got him.
Hey! Hey yo!
Really
Wanna
proud
go
of
one and
me.
hog. There you go.
Let's go something with Vietnam.
That's what I'm using. I wouldn't use the laser. They can see the laser.
I know, but I like the laser. It makes it feel cool. Let's add some more coolness to my coolness. Yep.
That seems like, do
Damn,
something with
bro.
the aim.
Hey, dude, that was my first time dying.
I know, but my
What?
teammates
He
are
just
stealing all
one-shotted
my
me.
kills. I could have got you right there.
It's okay, Matt VR.
No, can you guys
We'll get it
kick,
next time.
Can you guys kick Socrates and I'll kill my entire team if you guys kick.
Yo, Matt VR, do you have a YouTube channel?
Socrates versus the AI.
Socrates. Yo,
Socrates versus
God,
AI
my team is
skeleton.
getting run down like
that's an
animals.
actual W name, bro.
Socrates versus AI skeleton.
No, it versus the
The
skeleton.
Draco is absolutely crazy.
Yo, the Draco's.
in the Gangnam Style.
Dude, that's not a Draco in the first place. But
That is a Draco. The other team is using Draco.
POV when my mom says that Skibidi Toilet isn't cool. I'm joking. Anyways, let's go.
The toilet isn't good.
I know it's not. I know. I was being ironic.
Guys, I have the noob starter kit.
Watch out, they're peeking, they're peeking.
I'm going crazy.
Can't play this map with a damn AK.
Crouched while he was shooting is the weirdest thing.
Yo, Socrates versus the skeleton.
I hate this stupid window thing, bro.
Damn.
Okay, general question.
He ain't got it. He ain't
Okay,
got
what's better,
it.
chicken
He
wings
ain't
or
got it.
chicken tenders?
He ain't get
He
it.
ain't got
He
it.
ain't got it.
Fat finger, fat finger. Oh. I got
Okay,
you,
I have
got
a
it.
question. What's better, chicken nuggets or chicken tenders?
Chicken nuggets.
Good job with the defusal.
Thank you.
Hey guys, grab some smoke grenades and throw them in mid.
I have a question. What's better,
This
chicken
is
nuggets or
literally
chicken
CS:GO, bro. I'm
tenders?
just drop shotting everybody I see.
What's better, chicken nuggets or chicken tendies?
Why do I always want to read those, bro?
I don't know. Up here. Gangster. Gangster.
Hey,
Was
I
that
see
a
a laser.
dildo? What the fuck?
I saw
Someone-
this laser,
Yo.
bro.
But I have a where the fuck?
Yeah, I love you.
Why do you have it?
I just had it.
Okay. You know that I have this. I have this. Look, I have the golden. What's it called? Trench knife. And I'm a shanky.
This is great, bro.
Okay, bro, what?
I didn't even realize I was going 4-1.
Yo, instead of shot
I'm
off
going 6 and 2
shotguns,
right
instead
now,
of shot off shotguns, we have this. I'm
Holy
joking.
crap, bro.
Charlie.
That is a crazy duo.
Why do my parents hate me?
I traded with this kid. God dang it, I traded with your shitty ass.
Oh!
Okay, what's better, masturbation with no hands or masturbation with hands?
I don't know.
Me personally,
How
I
do you
got
do with no hands?
No hands. That way somebody else does it for you.
yeah.
You gotta like you gotta
you
like
have to first have
you gotta use
foreskin.
like your Squidward lips.
You know, you have to first have foreskin and then use
Nah,
the
bro,
force.
use your legs.
No,
Use
no,
your
no,
Oh,
use
yeah,
no, no.
you right.
Floor?
Yeah, use your legs.
Yeah, no,
Shut
use the
up,
no.
yeah.
Use gravity.
Shut up,
I
Ma.
hate kids.
Use gravity instead.
Right?
Fucking penis ate. God fucking damn it.
You first have to have foreskin, and then you want to use the gravity like in Star Wars.
Victory.
Fucking.
So you first need foreskin, and then you want to use gravity. It'll like stroke it down.
Oh my goodness.
Good, bro?
Who wants to know how to masturbate with no hands? First up, you have to have
I
foreskin.
already know
Then,
how to do that.
and then you have to use
I
the
don't think- I
force
think
like
we
in
all know
Star
that.
Wars. And boom, there you got it.
They'll jerk your grenades off so they do more damage.
What the fuck were you doing? Hey buddy, it's called a oh shit! Yo! I'm gonna come. Nobody heard me, right?
I have a team that
How
I
the
know
hell do you
that
get
they know
that
what it's
profile
doing for
picture?
once. I'm happy, guys. You guys are making me proud.
You're
Sorry,
welcome.
you just have no profile picture.
You
How
want
do you have that
something?
profile?
You want to know something? I somehow
I
have
haven't seen
5
that
kills
profile
and 3
picture in
deaths.
so long.
I have 5
Like
kills and
doing
3
power
deaths.
walking.
Yo, this shit sounds like a vibrator. Listen. That sounds like a vibrator. I don't know.
I saw Big Boy come up here.
Just don't ask why I know the sound.
I saw Bigfoot come up here.
I don't know.
No! How the fuck did you? How the fuck did you? I never knew that. I've been playing this game for so long
Yeah,
and I didn't know
you
that.
can jump down the window.
I never knew that. I never knew that.
Dang it. Sorry.
Guys, move! I've seen this. Move, bitch!
Chill out, bro. We got 30 seconds. You know what? I want to do that.
Yeah!
350 pounds.
300.
Socrates! What the fuck? Socrates, why did you kill me? You know what, Socrates? Well, okay, here's how you do it. You get your dominant hand with the grip, and then you get your other hand, and then grab it, and then. That's what you get for killing me, you poopy head. He killed me earlier.
Bro, it was the end of the round. We switched teams.
Oh,
That's why
shit.
he killed you.
Oh fuck, my bad.
You're not surviving this one, pal.
I'm sorry, dude. I didn't know that. Plus, why did he kill me in the first place? Why?
I'm planning data center.
I'm here, little boy. Ow! That wasn't nice.
Scared me, man.
Okay, dude, whoever moves first is gay. Oh, you're gay. You like dick.
Yep, I am.
Oh shit.
Hey, come back here! Bigfoot, come back here.
I got it. Oh fuck.
What are you doing? It's our bomb.
Our
Why you gotta
bomb. Why are
leave,
you
bro?
trying to defuse, bro?
Bro, I have to like do a 360 to go in one
Oh,
Dude, I might have some retards for teammates. Not gonna lie.
What you gotta do?
Dude, we lose one round and you call us retards. Come on, man.
I mean, dude, you wait
yes,
to try
dude,
to
you
round
can't be
one.
talking. You have 3
Wait, when
deaths.
We lost to that.
Not me. I'm not retarded, man.
I'm not retarded either.
I'm a little bit
smart.
retarded sometimes.
Wait, who's
But
the
not
one that
as
tried
retarded.
defusing the bomb?
I
That
don't
guy.
Me? I did not.
Romulus?
I
You're an
promise
idiot.
you. I'm not an idiot. Okay, what's
He
4
tried
plus 4?
defusing the bomb. I told him about our bomb.
8. That didn't happen.
At one time, I was like, my brain had been like smooth as a pencil, and I just like defused the bomb. I got kicked.
Maybe you should watch your surroundings.
Shit, that was
Damn it! Oh my god, he just pooped on me. He just queefed on me. What the hell, man?
Yo, who's the kid talking? I'm adding you, bro. You're actually funny as fuck.
No, Ramiro, don't leave, man.
I said I'm adding you, bro. I just said I was leaving.
We need you.
Hey! Star Wars! Star
That was an
Wars!
impressive shot.
Star Wars!
Okay, we're kind of
Star
doing better.
Wars. What was that for?
It's because
can someone please buy me
you're an
a
idiot. Plus you killed our
silencer?
teammate.
I didn't know. Are you retarded? This
Killed
girl.
our teammate, dude. You deserve it.
Okay, fine. I may deserve that, but you deserve this. A pinch on your butthole.
What?
Hey, hey!
You should go plant data center for sure.
Damn.
Yeah,
Man. You guys just got shredded to pieces.
Do y'all want to know a fun fact?
What?
Okay, did you know that?
Guys, I think I'm gonna hop off now.
No!
This
No!
shit.
Hey,
need
bad
you.
aim, bad aim.
You're the reason why
bad
we
aim.
win.
Yeah, I'm
No,
the
you do not need me.
Yeah, we do not need you. No.
Bro, I got
Yeah.
a 3-piece combo there.
Hey, I'm a calm 3 for 10 right now.
Did
That's-
you
that's-
I
know
got
that
9
Vital is
assists, though.
basically the AK
Oh,
of
here's Ghost.
Israel?
Oh, Ghost is go. Go, Ghost, go!
Come on, Ghost.
Go!
Go your bitch
Stupid.
asses.
Oh, does he know who's right above him? Right below him? Whatever it is?
Jesus.
Oh shit, Ghost, you're cooked.
Shit,
Yeah,
who's this?
Ghost, you're
These
actually cooked.
motherfuckers are sweaty.
Ghost, you're cooked! Ghost!
Hey, you're a sweaty motherfucker, bro. Get
Dude,
off
that
the
kill!
World legend speak.
Whose gun was this?
Not mine. Oh, that's mine. You want to know a fun fact? The guy that made this, guess what his last name was? Bashniklov. Fucking Bashniklov.
Oh my god.
Ain't that sound similar?
Avlov.
Bashniklov, Kalashniklov. That's why he changed his name.
Shoot his toes off.
Yeah.
The second floor, watch out. There's second floor camping.
Hello. Ah, die, faggot. I'm coming. I'm coming. Die, monkey!
Matt, you sounded like a girl at that point.
Man,
Man,
I'm gangsta.
Okay,
What's up,
wait.
bro?
The same
We'll
team!
catch you next time, bro.
No, where's Kenobi?
Give me a second.
Kenobi, go red!
I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna put it back on. There you go.
No, no, wait. Sword Legend, cancel real quick.
Matt VR and Short
No,
Legend
go
are
red.
mad at you.
Start it!
Starter.
You just told me to cancel it, bro.
What mods are there? National Search
Mods.
mods.
Tarkov and Big Nuts.
Can I please add one mod, please?
No.
Fine.
You're gonna add the RNL.
No, I'm at the what's it called Western mod. It adds the lever action and the Winchester Model 18.
Hell no.
No, get out.
Fine. Socrates versus Skeleton.
Socrates!
Socrates, if your wisdom is your power, what are you without it?
Socrates.
You
is
decide to
a
cut off
power.
his ball sack.
Shut up!
Matt VR,
Thank
if the
you.
shut up word is your power. If the N word is your power. Is that a trash can? Yes. If the racism is your power, what are you without it? Yo, I got the Bloxy gun.
I'm planning basement.
Thank you, Kenobi!
Oh my god! Kenobi! Oh,
Thank you, Kenobi! Kenobi's like 6 feet tall, but he's
yo,
not heightless.
I think I've seen Kenobi before.
He's 6'8".
Yeah, this is it. Alright, pal. I believe in you.
Watch kitchen.
Oh my god.
Yeah, take the humping. It feels good, right? Oh, I got the right shotgun. I use the slugs. Yo, the shotgun uses slugs, yo. It uses 12-gauge slug shells.
Hell yeah!
You know how to
You
use it?
better not team kill.
I try not to team kill.
Oh, God.
Yo, dude, I
Cool
found this
beans.
shotgun that uses
What you want, bro? What you want,
Bro,
bro?
shut up. Wait, I just saw testicles.
Yo, dude, I'm a virgin.
Alright,
Oh my
Cool
god,
beans.
I guess I'm gonna have to carry blue team. How?
Yeah,
I
carry
guess-
blue
Oh, dude,
team for
Kimbo,
us.
I think I've
guess
seen
I'm
you
gonna have
before.
to carry
Kimbo,
blue team.
I think I
Ah,
Wait,
such a
what's your name?
beautiful
What's your name? What's your
day.
name?
Ramiro,
name?
Kimbo, I think I seen you.
Like,
What's your name?
Ramiro, I think I
guess
seen
I'm
you
gonna
before.
have to carry blue team.
Bro, it's
Ramiro.
Kenobi. What is people talking about?
yo, Ramiro,
I-
calm it down.
You
Can
have
Nimbo-
seen me before, Ramiro.
I guess I'm gonna have to carry blue team, guys.
No, you're not, cause I'm here.
Very nice.
I'm here,
gonna
pal.
carry- No,
I'm here. I use the shotgun that uses shell rounds, slug shells. You want it?
Kaite la
I
woka.
have the air
It uses
RPG.
slug. It uses 12-gauge slug shells.
Watch it, shut up. Oh my god. Oh my god. You died right
Air
away.
version.
Oh my god.
You're generally a
God,
pussy.
Oh, making that
Is that what I see? A shotgun user? Ew.
Guys, hold on, wait, guys, hold up. Hey, guys, I know the shotgun that uses good rounds.
Sussy nigga, sussy.
You could be my freak.
Sussy nigga, sussy.
Girl, I'll be your freak.
Sussy nigga.
Oh, okay, what's better? What's better, Burger King or McDonald's?
Oh, Burger King.
Yo, okay, guys, hold on, wait. Okay.
Hey guys, everybody rush outside. Everybody rush outside. Just rush
Okay.
outside.
Hold on, here, the shotgun's OP. The shotgun's OP. Here. Here, use the shotgun. It's OP. It uses slug rounds. It uses slug rounds. Hot bitch.
Oh my god.
Look at Cool Beans, bro. Look at that.
I told you I
Blood
should
test.
rush outside.
Blood
now.
testicles. Grab the bomb,
Oh,
testicles.
beans on toast. Shut the fuck up.
Just be behind my back.
If the N-word is your power, what are you without it?
No N-word.
You instantly want to cut his nutsack off.
Having a
If having a penis is your power, what is your power without it?
You instantly want to rip it out.
Straight penis.
Oh, guys, we should put advanced movement.
If the foreskin, if the foreskin,
Hell no, we ain't doing that.
Oh.
if the foreskin is your power, what are you without it?
Alright, bro.
not human.
gay boners. What are you retarded?
Your penis is power with no ball sex.
Oh my god!
Yo, you guys suck!
If your semen is your power, what are you without it? You instantly want to cut it off.
I'm gonna cut the red team balls off, bro. I swear.
Yo, here. The shotgun's good. The shotgun's good. Here. Nobody gonna take the shotgun.
No, I don't want to take no shot.
Don't rush, just camp.
Fuck my stick drift.
Oh my god!
Hey, Cool Beans, guess what?
Oh my god!
Hey, yo, Cool Beans, guess what?
My balls got shot off.
Why is everybody
Yo, he got
on
like
red
2
going
RPGs,
gay?
bro. Matt Vera is so.
Bo thinks he's
Oh my
black.
Boy, he got slammed, boy.
Who's calling me Cool Beans?
Bo thinks he's black.
Camp, motherfuckers! Camp! Don't fucking rush! We
I'm
have
not camping. I don't want to camp. Cause I ain't no pussy.
You're a fucking moron!
You're a moron.
You are!
You're a moron.
Whatever, bro.